Okay, start.
Hi sir, my name is YUGANES, son of VEJAYAN. My metric number is B092110084.
My name is KAWEEARASAN. My metric number is B092110273.
Hi, my name is Muhammad AMIR Hakim bin Eazizy. My number matrix is B092110448.
Hi, my name is Muhammad LUQMAN bin AZNUR. My matric number is B092110313.
Hello, I'm AIDEL. With full time, and I'm from Malacca. Nice to meet you.
Okay sir, I would like you to interview now. Can I ask you first question, which is what is VCR system? Do you know about VCR system, sir?
I'm really not sure about that. Can you explain to me?
Yeah, sure. I can explain about this VCR system regarding icon. Which is VCR system is the basic essential, which is vapor compression refrigerant system. Is a system that uses liquid refrigerant in a closed, which is a refrigerant through the 4 stages, which is it alternately compressed and expanded, charging it from a liquid to vapor. That is the VCR system, sir.
Okay.
Next question, Muhammad LUQMAN will ask you, sir, the second question.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Mr. AIDEL, I'm gonna ask you about type VCR system for resident air conditioner. Do you know about it?
No, I'm not. Can you give me an example?
Okay, for example, for the resident air conditioner, there is 7 type of air conditioner. The first one is central air conditioning. Second one, window air conditioner. And third one, through the wall air conditioner. Next is a portable air conditioner, and also a ductless split system air conditioner. The other one is evaporative or swap cooler, and the last one is geothermal cooling. Okay, next one.
Okay, sir. Can you name of the refrigerant used?
I don't know about that. Can you explain to me?
All right. There are many different type of the refrigerant used in a variety of the refrigerant products. But of the air conditioning system, there are 2 main types, which is R22, or commonly known as Ferron, and R410A, also known as Furon. Okay, that's it. The next question.
Kawi, open your mic.
Kavi, can you open your mic?
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, do you know how the system of refrigerant works and the emission occurs?
I don't know how it works.
Okay. The system consists 4 components: compressor, condenser, metering device, and evaporator. Let me tell you about the flows of the system. The compressor compresses the refrigerant vapor and move it towards the condenser. As the refrigerant moves into the condenser rejects the heat refrigerant, causing it to change the state and condense into a high pressure temperature liquid. As the refrigerant passes through the metering device, its temperature, pressure, and state once again changes. some of the low pressure liquid refrigerant instantly boils off, featuring flash gas, has a mixture of liquid and gas, passes through the evaporator, heat is absorbed, and the remaining liquid refrigerant changes its state back into vapor. At the outlet of the evaporator, 100% of the low pressure flows back through the suction line to the compressor. Next, I'll be telling you the refrigerant emission occurs. Emission from the refrigeration and air conditioning sector result from manufacturing process, from leakage and service over the operation life of the equipment. That's all for me.
Yes, sir. We're really happy to share about the knowledge of us of icon today, which is we share about what is VCR system, and then type, what is the system of types of system of VCR, and then the name of refrigerant using the air conditioning system, and the last one is Kavi explain you, which is how the system operates and refrigerant in the aircon system. Really appreciate for your patience and well time spent with us. We're happy to share the knowledge with you, sir, for today. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Really appreciate you for attend our interview session, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Welcome.
From our discussion, what do you know all about that? What you understand from our discussion?
The system of VCR system the conclusion.
Yes. What conclusion you get from our discussion just now?
Is about system of VAC.
Yes. For the conclusion in our discussion just now is we can encourage the HVAC sector to take the more sustainable and environmental responsible approach by highlighting the signification of refrigerant recovery and recycling. This will help make the future more environmentally friendly and less the negative effect of refrigerant, assisting international effort to fight climate change and safeguard the environment. Did you get that, sir?
Yes, I get it. Thank you for explaining.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Thank you,
you
sir.
too, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right.